In the world of construction, even the smallest components play a crucial role. Binding wire, often overlooked, is one such component. This thin, flexible wire, typically made from low-carbon steel, is indispensable in modern construction. Its strength, pliability, and affordability make it versatile for various applications. From securing reinforcing bars in concrete to assembling temporary structures, binding wire contributes significantly to stability and durability. Its flexibility enables it to be easily bent and twisted without compromising strength. The variety in gauges ensures suitability for almost every construction need. Despite its simple appearance, binding wire plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and safety of structures. Concrete relies heavily on reinforcement to achieve its impressive strength. This is where binding wire takes center stage. Reinforcing bars, or rebar, are steel rods embedded within concrete to provide tensile strength. Binding wire holds these rebar structures together, maintaining correct spacing and alignment. Skilled workers use specific tying techniques to create secure connections. If the rebar is not securely tied, it can shift during the concrete pour, leading to potential structural weaknesses. By securely binding the rebar grid, construction workers create a robust skeleton within the concrete. Beyond concrete reinforcement, binding wire finds extensive use in other construction applications. One such application is in the construction of formwork. Formwork refers to temporary structures built to hold freshly poured concrete in place. Binding wire is instrumental in assembling and securing formwork components. It binds together wooden planks, plywood sheets, and metal supports, creating a mold for the concrete. Its adaptability and ease of use make it a go-to solution for various construction challenges. Section 4. Advantages of binding wire: strength, economy, and versatility. The continued reliance on binding wire in construction stems from its compelling advantages. Its strength, affordability, and versatility make it a practical choice for various applications. Despite being a relatively thin wire, it can withstand significant tensile loads. From an economic standpoint, binding wire is a highly cost-effective solution. Its low cost and ease of use contribute to its widespread adoption. The availability in various gauges ensures suitability for a wide range of applications. Its flexibility allows for easy manipulation in diverse scenarios. Section 5. Best practices for binding wire: ensuring optimal performance. Proper selection and application are crucial for maximizing the performance of binding wire. The gauge of binding wire refers to its thickness, with lower gauge numbers indicating thicker wire. Selecting the appropriate gauge ensures structural integrity. Proper tying techniques are equally important for maximizing effectiveness. Rust prevention is critical, especially in environments with high humidity or moisture. Galvanized binding wire offers excellent rust resistance and is preferred for outdoor applications. Section 6. Binding wire: a small component with a big impact. Binding wire may seem insignificant, but its importance in construction cannot be overstated. From concrete reinforcement to formwork assembly, binding wire is essential. Its ability to withstand tensile forces ensures the integrity of structures. Without binding wire, achieving the same levels of efficiency and structural integrity would be challenging. Understanding and properly utilizing binding wire ensures the safety and durability of structures for generations.